Gang producers and engineers and artists living off your music. What do y'all do, gang? What do y'all do? Like, what's the trick? Like, can y'all share the sauce? Because it's been like 3 months. I started 6 months to make a challenge where I have to like switch my daily income, my 9 to 5 income to my music income. And so far in 3 months I made like $126. Like, I sell beats, I do engineering sessions, mixing and mastering. Like, do I have like too much things in my mind? Because I learned for a lot of these guys, like, you have to have multiple source of income. Like, you have to have like do multiple things. But when I'm trying to do multiple things, it's like too much. Like, can y'all share the source? Like, people living off their music without a 9 to 5. What do you guys do? Please share, please, please.